They liked the tunnel, they went back. Hi, Mittens. Mittens has FOMO, fear of missing out. So she always needs to be a part of whatever we're doing with the dogs. So as you can see, she willingly comes over. We don't force her to be in our videos. She loves being with the dogs. So we have new names. Our buyers gave us names for their puppies. This is actually Maya. So we've been calling her Mia Rose in our videos, but her name is actually Maya Rose. Okay. This is Ollie. Ollie, say hello. Ollie has a white tie. It makes him special. Okay. This is Chewy. She is a charcoal girl. Say hi, Chewy. She's a sweet girl. Yeah, Chewy? You're a very sweet girl. All right, who else is new? We have Nina. Nina is our...
Here is Nina.
Are you sure?
Oh, no. No.
Nina's over there.
Yeah, she went back.
Nina is our charcoal girl who had the orange collar and then the silver collar. And now she has no collar. So this is Nina. Snowflake found a way out. Our silly girl. Alright, so as I was saying, Nina is in the tunnel. Nina's working hard. She's probably teething. This is Ari, the silver boy. They are in the crate.
We don't want to close the crate, so we keep it open so the puppies feel comfortable when going inside and out. Hi, Nina. How's the kibble today? Say hi to your parents.
This is Monty right here with the green collar. Monty! Monty! Hey, do you want a belly rub? Do you want a belly rub?
Who's that? Is that Nina? Oh no, that's not Nina, that's Chewy. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
What's going on? Looks like they can't share the ball. Hey, dear. Hi. This is Heidi and Allie, our Weimaraner girls. We wanted to give them more German names, hence Heidi and Allie. Allie for Alice. They're getting very big.
What's she doing? Oh, she wanted to get the ball.
Oh, poor thing.
There are more here. Mila, come here. Mila,
Mila.
Mila, no. So the puppies are working on their physical development. It's actually both physical and mental development.
They are working on their problem-solving skills. They are finding new exits. Принеси воду. So inside the tunnel are our silver labs, Maya Rose and Ari. Ari is the boy with the black collar. Ooh. Are you stuck? She's like a groundhog. What's up, Ari? We put the crates for the puppies to familiarize with, so that way when they go to the vet or when they go home to their new owners, they will be comfortable in the crate. Now, crates aren't just for travel in the car. Crates are great to keep puppies in while they sleep at home or while you're away, because crates help keep the puppies safe. Not only that, the crates help keep your home safe from your puppy, so your puppy doesn't chew on any furniture or shoes, and that way they don't get stuck somewhere they shouldn't be. So crates are very useful for various reasons. Are you guys getting some water? All that play made them thirsty.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh, are you swimming?
Hey, ma'am.
We probably need to fill a pool with water
Ma'am,
for them.
this is for drinking.
Oh boy.
Look at her.
Yeah, we need to get a pool for them. So we'll make.
You're hogging the whole bucket.
Oh gosh.
Hey. Hey. Look at, do you see their paws? So once they get wet, they become even smaller.
Oh, we need now to bring new water. She washed her feet in there.
Hey.
Okay, let's get new bucket. She's the same thing.
Look at her face. It's
Mia.
all wet. Nasty lady.
So we'll get the pool for you guys.
They're hogging the whole bucket. Maya Rose is feeling social. She's interacting with the Weimaraners.
She was so busy playing with Ali and Heidi, but when I came, the Weimaraners got up and stopped playing with her.
These little girls just love the bounce balls. We should probably fill the pool up with some water so the girls can splish splash. Hey Maya! Maya! Are you giving kisses? Are you giving kisses? So see, she is the smallest in the litter, but she is very playful and social and active. Just because she's small does not mean she's less developed or less active than the other puppies in the litter. If anything, she's more proactive.
She's very outgoing. She went to meet new friends.
She's not shy. She's like, where did they go? But they're behind her. Okay, I'm gonna go bring the hose so we can fill up the pool. Maya, are you interested? Maya came over to see what was up. Ooh, Ollie, are you interested? Hey, if you want to... Oops, sorry, Ollie. Looks like the puppies are a little bit tired. The temperature is getting warmer. Are you guys resting? Are you resting a little bit? Yeah? Ari and Maya? Ari got a little wet.
These two just love playing with this tunnel. It's so crunchy and satisfying for them, probably.
Hey, Chewy. Ollie's just relaxing. They're just a couple of weeks old, but they already have their individual personalities and characters. Ollie loves to play with your skirt. Let me film Ollie. Someone's getting a drink.
What did you find? Just digging? Mila, how did you get here? I think the puppies are ready to go home. Are you guys ready to go home? Are you tired being outside? Oh, look. Are you eating grass? What are you eating? Kibble? Is that kibble? So we train our puppies since their early age so they can like being in the kennel. We train puppies since their early age, 4 and 5 weeks of age. We start them to help them like their kennel. Now and in the future, when they go to their new homes.